Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are on the way to M1 Concourse. Today is their supercars and European cars and coffee. So expecting a big turnout, expecting some good tasty coffee. It is 7:35 in the morning. We've got about a 20-minute drive, arriving 5 minutes before the scheduled start. Last time we showed up an hour late because of a haircut and we got in right away. But the first time we showed up this season, we had quite some traffic. So we're going to be finding out exactly how busy this one's going to be. I've been excited about this one for a while. Talked about it on the channel a couple times. I'm expecting a lot of cool cars. So usually, even when it's not the supercar theme, there's just supercars littered, scattered all over the place. Last time for that hot rods one, we saw a S7 Celine, so that was really cool. So yeah, not sure what to expect, but we're gonna check it out. Hang out together on this beautiful Saturday. Beautiful, crisp Saturday. It's 55 degrees. And of course, we're sporting the Michigan gear. Michigan plays Texas today. Big game. A little nervous, but we'll see how she goes. We usually find some cars that are ganging up, heading the same direction we are, so we'll find probably some cars heading the same way. All right, so we found the right spot, and it is backed up indeed. I'm expecting a long wait, which is a little scary because we've only got 60 miles of fuel left. See Eric's new Huracan Evo, it looks like, over there, and then let's see, we got the Murcielago, a green Huracan, and those guys that are all together. I believe Troy's with them. I cannot see the M8 comp from where I'm sitting, but I know he's over there somewhere. It looks like we've got a beautiful color Ferrari right there, and a line of cars just absolutely stuck. I am nervous with this 60-mile range. This is not ideal, so we'll see where we're at the end of today. I bet we have 30 miles of range when we leave. All right, good news, line's moving a little bit. So we are cruising here right up front. Looks like they opened. It is 8:05, so officially things kicked off. This license plate, I missed it because I sneezed, but it's sexy red. That's funny. Ooh, Boss Man 8. I always make it a priority to thank the event staff here because I feel like they go underappreciated. They're working on a beautiful Saturday. Just say, hey, thank you. And they really appreciate it. They like to feel appreciated. So I always try to do it. It's good to have respect for the people that put stuff on like this, because without them, this couldn't happen. And they couldn't brew their delicious coffee, which is under that tent right there. And I know that's my first stop of the day for sure. It's like a olive green.
I like the yellow
Also sick plate. We're just taking a look at this C63 with, it looks like the wide body Black Series kit. Some crazy exhaust. There's carbon everywhere. Look at these. Absolutely wild. Gotta check out this TTRS. This has got some aero. Holy mackerel. Audi Sport all over the place. This is like an OEM. That thing is crazy. Got the No-O sticker on it. That's beauty. It's gonna be a zoo getting out of here, but I think we're gonna try and head out. Everybody seems to have the same idea. All right, it's a little chaotic getting out of here. We got people coming in, people going out, people switching around. A few Aventadors revving like mad, so they're just shuttling people out of here. It's kind of that time where people are getting antsy, so I'm gonna put my phone down and follow instruction to depart. Couple of beauties lined up there. Got a G80 M3 570 and a boat. What a good turnout, man. There's so many people there. Getting out wasn't too bad. Maybe 10 minutes. That S8 sounds crazy. Troy is behind. We have M240, S7, S8, myself, and the S4 just cruising down Woodward. It is a beautiful day. Got the sun out a bit. Turned into quite a nice one.